Everyone, my name is Gitesh Belisari. We are final year diploma student, Department of Electrical Engineering, NIT Polytechnic, Nagpur. We are project in final year project, and my project name is wireless power transfer system. Abstract. This abstract wireless power transmission is a new technology to transfer electrical power without any physical contact between the source and the load. The core of the use technology is making use of the magnetic resonance concept for transmitting the power wirelessly. This introduce wire power transfer make it possible to supply power through an air gap without the need for current carrying wire. Wireless power transfer can provide power from AC source to compatible batteries or device without physical connector or wire. Wireless power transfer we can use for multi-purpose. Thank you.
Myself Ritik Tirpude. I am from Electrical Department, NIT Polytechnic, Nagpur. I have explained the program outcomes and working principle of our project. Program outcome first: basic and discipline specific knowledge. We get various component and machine basic knowledge and perform a project under discipline guideline of department. Second, program analysis. We analyze all the research data related our project. POs 3. In engineering tools experimentation and testing. By working on model, we handle various engineering tools and experiment and testing model. POs 4. Design development of solution. We design of model and develop in it as per requirement. POs 5. Project management. We follow instruction given by the department and it is help to the proper project management. PO6. Engineering practice for society sustainability environment. We work on model by considering in how it is beneficial for society and environment. PO7. Lifelong learning or research analysis experimentation and safety design of model is useful in industry whenever it is in future. This is construction and working model. First we give the DC supply to our project and then we give the switch. The function of switch is on or off the power, and then we give the transistor. The use of transistor in this project to increase the speed of switching, it means to increase the frequency. After that we connect the copper wire coil. First coil is permanent fixed and second coil is movable. Without any physical connection, the power supply from first coil into second coil due to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. After that we use bridge rectifier. The function of bridge rectifier is to convert AC into DC. And then after we use capacitor. The function of capacitor is charge and distance. Working model. First of all we give the DC supply. 9-volt battery. Our battery is 9 volt. This switch on. Without any physical action, the supply is passed through this coil.
Hello everyone, myself is Rajan Dademal. I from electrical department, NIT Polytechnic Nagpur. I have explained application and skill development. Application: WPT is used the moving target like the fuel-free electrical vehicle, fuel-free appliance, fuel-free rocket and moving robots. Skill development: technical knowledge, communication skill, presentational skill. Advantage and disadvantage. Advantage: simple design, lower frequency operation, low cost, practical for short distance. Disadvantage: high power loss, non-directionality, uh, for long efficient for longer distance. Result: In a wireless power transmission system, a transmitter device driving the electrical power source generates a time varying electromagnetic field which the transmit power across the space receiver device. Conclusion: wireless power transfer has the potential change this plant on so many different levels. Thank you.